Hi, I'm Ken Arnold. You might remember me from such memorable roles as Howard Backus on The Guiding Light, or as Ted Watts in the Larry King Simulator spot on the Onion News Network. Welcome to the holiday edition of Ken's Acting Tips. In this episode, I'm going to talk about why actors suck and how they can suck less. Let's face it, most actors suck. Only a select few actually pull it off and can make it believable. Take a look at Vin Diesel. He sucks, yet he works in films all the time and has had a decent career. Well, how does he pull it off? It's not about talent, folks. Unlike most actors, including you, I don't suck. I just suck less. Well, how do Vin Diesel and I make this happen? It has everything to do with how good your agent is, who you sleep with, and in some cases, how much money daddy has. No way Paris Hilton gets a role in any movie based on her acting ability. Well, okay, maybe she'd get a lot of porn roles. Talent is a factor that rarely comes into play in show business. So, as your suck less resolution for the new year, here's what you can do to turn your sucky career around. First, find a better agent. One that can actually see past how bad you suck and actually get you some work. Seem difficult? Not really, because that's where the second tip comes into play. Tip 2, sleep around. A lot. But make sure you pick people who can actually help you in the biz, not just any old Joe Schmo. That would just plain old make you a whore. And that goes for you gentlemen as well. And finally, check and make sure your parents have money to bankroll your acting career. If your parents are broke nobodies, then your acting career and you will most likely continue to suck. Try these 3 things in the upcoming new year, and you too will become a successful actor just like me, and suck less. Well, that's all for now, but join me next time when I explain how doing porn is your ticket to stardom. Merry Christmas, and here's to sucking less in the new year. We'll see ya, and see ya on the big screen. Hey kids, you want to help Daddy finish decorating the tree and sing some songs?
Yeah!
All right, well come on. 'Tis the season to sucking less.
La, 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 la.
Here's to sucking less.
La, la, la,